In this video, you will learn about traditional tools and actors that are used in traditional performance. History of seers or oracles. History of Kitmikayi. Stay tuned and watch till the end.
But we have Isikuti.
Oh.
For the lower community.
Yeah.
We have the lower community is Isikuti. This is the drum that they play during their traditional performance.
Shaking of the shoulder?
Yeah, the dance, the name and the song.
Yeah.
And for the lower community, we have bull.
Oh.
Yeah, the double-ended drum for the lower community.
Okay.
Yeah. Play during important performances. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have costumes.
I have a question in relation to music.
Yes.
What's the importance of music in relation to the culture of the society?
Music helps in portrays given information. They make work, apart from making work easier, you know, there are those who sing during work to make the work easier so that they don't feel the load of the work. The music is also used to communicate some important messages that cannot be expressed through words. Yeah, or the feeling of someone. You know, when someone is somehow hurt or feel excited, they tend to make it in form of music. Yeah.
Okay.
So during these performances, you'll see the one for the low dance down there. You can hear the sound.
Oh, yeah.
People used to put on this traditional clothes during the special performance.
So which
Just go close to him and I'll capture you. Ask you a question, just go close to him.
This is the community that they put on during traditional dance. Yeah, this part belongs to the Kisumu people called Ngogo. Yeah, during special performances. Then the dress here called Mtusi is for the lower community. Yeah. Low people during these performances they put on Owano, made from sisal. Then Abagusi put on this skin, the ladies during this performance.
Who wear that? Men or the
Men.
Oh, for men.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe the head of the performance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then we also have a live studio there. You can pick an item and play.
Oh.
Can we see the items?
Yeah.
Oh, we are not allowed.
You are allowed.
Okay.
nice, yeah, we have to try.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Words. Yeah. Or the feeling of someone. You know, when someone is somehow hurt or feel excited, they tend to make it in form of music. Yeah.
Okay.
So during these performances, you'll see the one for the low dance down there. You can hear the sound.
Oh, yeah.
People used to put on this traditional clothes during the special performance.
So which
Just go close to him and I'll capture you. Ask you a question, just go close to him.
This is the community that they put on during traditional dance. Yeah, this part belongs to the Kisumu people called Ngogo. Yeah, during special performances. Then the dress here called Mtusi is for the lower community. Yeah, low people during these performances they put on Owano, made from sisal. Then Abagusi put on this skin, the ladies during this performance.
Who wear that? Men or the
Men.
Oh, for men.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe the head of the performance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then we also have a live studio there. You can pick an item and play.
Oh.
Can we see the items?
Yeah.
Oh, we are not allowed.
You are allowed.
Okay.
nice, yeah, we have to try.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Kombunya lugo.
Three-legged.
Three-legged.
Kobunya?
We call it kombunya lugo.
Kobunya nya.
Nyaluo. Kom means seat of the lugo.
Okay.
Oh, wait, that's comfortable. Actually, it's just taking the shape of the.
Sandbag.
I think you need more people.
Yeah.
Someone is playing drum, another is shaking this one. I think you have different sounds.
Yep.
This one and this one. Oh, okay. At least I've tried.
Yeah.
They are translated as the stone of the first wife.
Oh,
The stone of the first wife. Yeah.
what does Mikayi mean?
Mikayi is the first wife in a polygamous marriage.
Oh,
So, this stone came to call Kitmikayi. It is found, it's located in San constituency, Kisumu County,
yeah.
just 20 kilometers away from the city.
Okay.
Kisumu on the highway.
Oh,
So, Sam was a deserted place before a man called Gumba came and settled in this area. So, when this man came and settled here, he had his friends, including his cousin brother from Asembo, Radiana sub-county in Shire. So, these people normally come and visit this man called Gumba. When this man settled here, he identified the stone site and really developed a unique love to the stone site. So he gave much of his time to this site. Yeah. So whenever his friend came to visit him, he was being found in the stone site. And according to your community, what you like doing most, what you love doing most, what you give much of your time, become your first wife. Yeah. So because of the land this person had to this stone site, this friend decided to name this stone site as the stone of the first wife, translated as Kitmikayi.
oh,
Yes.
okay.
I have a question. Okay, there is a certain church that they
Called
love.
Legend.
Yes. Why do they love worshiping?
They use it at their shrines, like their movement. They
Is
go
it a
there.
church or
It is a denomination church.
Oh, yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted to know.
It's a denomination.
Actually, they always go there to do prayers and fasting.
I have seen the
Traditionally, they do their sacrifices there.
inside there is a cave. That's
There is
where they
caves,
go
yeah.
inside those caves. With the red candles.
Yes, exactly. They clothes, they call them candles.
Yeah.
So they do their offerings there. They pray,
Why do you think
fast.
they go into that cave?
It is a unique area and they believe that is a holy place.
Oh,
No one goes anyhow.
Like the Kikuyu, how they
Like the
believe
Kikuyu in Mugumo tree.
Oh.
Have you gone to that cave in Nakuru? Going to the other cave in Nakuru?
Yeah,
In that
yeah.
escarpment.
in
Somewhere close to the devil's kitchen. Yeah.
Oh, there's a place.
you go under in there, yeah.
Yeah. Even the devil's bedrooms.
Yeah.
It's there.
What? We need to walk.
Where we
Tembea
get hot
Kenya.
water, where we get hot water from the ground. Yeah.
That's why it's named Devil's Kitchen.
The devil's kitchen is a certain place that is very scary. Very scary. In
Yeah,
Nakuru.
that's what's actually, because the time I was there, I found that really,
Like the-
yeah,
They
inside
love
the
this
caves.
place, and also the local now uses as tourist attraction. They do their recreational activities such as practice traditional music and dance. Also some traditional activities such as storytelling. This is beautiful. There's storytelling, religion are doing their offerings there.
Hey, climbing this stone is not a joke.
I climbed it and I was almost crying coming
Yeah.
down.
To the top.
You can't reach.
Wow. About 30 meters high.
Yeah. Actually, there was a competition whereby if you reach at the last stone, you've been awarded. Nobody has ever reached at that place.
You see that top?
Yeah.
You reach to this point.
If you summon it,
Yes.
it's deadly.
Yeah.
It's called Mora Nyangiti.
Moranye Ngiti.
Yes.
Okay.
The lady prophesies the coming of the whites and the whites will
She's
be
from
grabbing.
Luo community.
No, this is from a Bagusi community.
Babusi.
Okay.
Yeah. Prophet of the coming of the white and
Oh,
the
Mora. Mora means Kisi.
Yeah.
That's the name from Kisi.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So she said that the whites will come and will be grabbing people, livestock, and land in the form of tax. You know, the colonial government have forced taxation. Yeah. So the prophecy of this lady came to pass in 1905 when British government brought in their administrator called Northcote. Well, the name Northcote, Geoffrey Northcote. They was dispatching Gooseland. The white was seen walking with a handful of security officers, grabbing people's livestock and land. So during this time, Moranjit had a cousin son. Yeah, so she gave this boy some charms that they believe would protect him from the white man's bullet. Just like the Majimati believe their water. So, one day when the North Coast, this administration was carrying on its daily activity, the Abagus people led by Kenya laid an attack to this community and they killed the white man. Then the British government reacted by sending more soldiers to come and capture the Otenyo and Moranagit. They were successful. They captured both of them. Otenyo was sentenced to death when Moranagit was left scot-free because of the old age. Yeah.
Okay. So interesting.
This person prophesies the construction of Kenya-Uganda Railway. In his dream or in his prophecy, he said there will be the white will come with a black snake, a very big black snake, breathing smoke from the eastern lake to the western lake. Where the eastern lake was the Indian Ocean, the western lake was the Lake Victoria, the big snake was the railway. So the prophecy came to pass when the colonial government brought it in to construct the Kenya-Uganda railway was the Garden.
Oh. Okay.
So we also have some musical instruments in the community they are associated with. This is for the Luo community, especially the Luo of So yeah, so all these musical instruments are used to produce different types of sound, and they were used during special performances. Yeah. So we have Nyatiti for the Luo, we have Oporo for the Luo.
What the name?
Oporo.
Oporo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oporo can be, you know the other Oporo?
Yeah. Can be
Lies.
lies. Yeah.
Like
Like Oporo can be mean can mean lies.
Yeah, but the real name of Oporo in Luo, it means the flute, the traditional flute from the horn of what? Of a gazelle. Yeah. We also have the Kayamba for the Luo community and the Sendere for the Abakuri. Yeah. Then we have the Deu and the Tawansi for the Nandi. We also have Kikodit, the now for the Kalenjin community. Yeah. We have Kenyan for the Nandi. Oroto.
Oroto.
Then this goes for the Nyatiti for the we have all the traditional cake during hot season. I think this all the dress.
Hey, that ship is so huge.
It's the one I put it on at the boardwalk.
From direct sunshine. Yeah. Made of grass. Yeah.
Why don't we have anything like regarding the Masaya? It's on the other side. Ah, yeah, it's there. We are coming to you.
It's about the Western community, the Western culture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have the Tungu, Ruto for the lower community. And we also have how these people used to dress, symbolize status, this kind of headdresses will cover the other color. we have guitar. Where is it? Guitar is here. Modern. Then in the local, you must have a spear. This one is where you put the home. It's more about neurons. So you see them.
So we are in this gallery of the Maasais. Is it? Oh, okay.
I see
Because I've seen. Oh,
I am looking because you see these things down there, including that man.
that
Oh.
mzee, yes.
That mzee is
I
there.
am very curious to know. This mzee, when I go to that place, I find him sitting down on that stool.
Yes.
Is he the owner of that homestead, or is just a mzee with?
No, there is no honor of that homestead. That is an exhibition. How a setup of how you will do in the past. So in an exhibition, you can't have a mistake. There is a mistake. Yeah. Yeah. We'll go there and explain.
yeah, these people are very perfect in art.
Creative.
Mm.
Am I the only one who loves art? We love art. I do love art so much.
I hope you have learned a lot in this video. It was so amazing, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am Madison Orina, and stay tuned for part 3.